Perfume of the day. This one smells delicious. Ma-recommend ko siya sa mga gourmand girlies like me. And by the way, this one is for unisex too. This is 100 ml. If you love a vanilla na may caramel and na may milk amber na comforting, this fragrance is perfect. Di ba last time sinabi ko na lahat ng mga dupes and inspired scents ni Bianco Latte gusto kong matry. So, this one is another dupe of Bianco Latte and it's from Paris Corner. This is Caramel Cascade from the line of Cascine. I really love the bottle of this one. So, pag sinabing Middle Eastern fragrances, hindi talaga tayo bibiguin yan. Maganda talaga yung presentation nila and see the atomizer of ganda. Bango. Ganito yung itsura ng box niya. Yan. Yan yung box niya. Normal lang. But it's cute. This smells sweet but not too sweet. The projection is absolutely amazing and also the longevity is giving. I think it lasted for a day. So, kung gagamitin nyo ito, tumatagal siya ng buong araw and saka lang siya mawawala if paliliguan ninyo. So, I think this one performs very well. For its price, I bought mine mga nasa 1K plus lang kasi naka-sale. Nag-aabang talaga ako ng sale kapag may gusto kong bilhin na pabango. So, it's very a good alternative for Bianco Latte. I think this one performs very well than the other dupes. For me lang ha, opinion ko lang. Really a perfect alternative for the pricey niche perfume na Bianco Latte. So, I think this one deserves the hype. So, opening, you can smell vanilla, sugar, honey, caramel, all that mix up very well. So, hindi nakakahilo yung amoy niya. And kapag nag-dry down siya, yung vanilla niya, amoy warm, cozy, creamy vanilla siya. Hindi yung siya yung tipo ng vanilla na nakakaumay, nakakahilo. Censored pala to, kaya pala to namamatay. Hindi siya yung vanilla scent na nangangamoy maasim kapag tumagal. May mga ganun talagang vanilla, lalo na kapag yung mga vanilla scents na ginagamit during tag-init. As in, tirik na tirik yung araw, nagba-vanilla. Girl, may tamang paggamit ng mga vanilla scents. Diba? If you know what I mean, you know it. Basta yung amoy niya kapag nag-dry down, amoy powdery vanilla siya na slightly musky with touch of sweet amber and tonka bean. Ganon yung naamoy ko. And by the way, if this one, kung bibili kayo ng ganito, kapag nag-spray kayo sa first opening niya, tapos you smell amoy rubbery plastic, mga ganon, that's normal. So, ang gagawin nyo, let it stay for a week. And then after that, okay na yung pabango. Mas ma-appreciate nyo na siya. Mas lalabas nyo yung totoo niyang amoy. If gusto nyong matry si Caramel Cascade, ilalagay ko na lang yung link, ha? Bye-bye!